Atjeh guerrillas are clearly no easy target for the Indonesians. Not far from where soldiers patrol, we're here to see firsthand the success of the rebels' village recruitment program. We find 60 recruits. 5 from each of the nearby villages are starting their first day of training.
Sebagai sabah bangsa yang merdeka, pembadunya, pakiban bangsa gok merdeka, ketanya payah merdeka cik. Pakiban bangsa gok maju, ketanya payah maju cik lagi bangsa gok, insyaAllah akan maju.
For the next 2 months, these recruits will train in preparation for life as guerrilla fighters under the Free Atjeh flag. The reluctance of the international community to back their cause has prompted the Atjeh rebels to seek support in unsavoury and provocative places like Libya.
For us, we got 2 chances. Firstly, our men can study in Libya. The second one, our men can train the military trainings in Libya. Yeah, they got wars. Yeah, what we need.
Neighbouring Malaysia too has served as a secret rebel training ground. These recruits don't know how long the struggle will be, but they're digging in for a long haul.
The Timorese can get independent after 20 years. But our struggle also after 20 years. Maybe the next year or the next times we will become independent.
Dengan wali negara. Dan lun menjanji.
Atjeh's bitter struggle. Another generation is preparing to fight for freedom.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Their faith is in their God and their glorious cause.
Aceh Sumatera Merdeka.
They may still have a chance.
Darah lun, jiwa lun, harta lun,